where the focus is on the Bihar Chief Minister, who now holds the record for having been sworn in the most number of times in the country, a record 9 times. Nitish Kumar has dominated Bihar politics in a way for the last 2 decades, but there are now serious question marks over his health and indeed whether the BJP will agree to make Nitish Kumar the Chief Minister if the NDA wins. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed a rally with Nitish Kumar and said that the NDA was fighting under his leadership. But the BJP has been hesitant to officially declare Nitish Kumar as their Chief Minister choice, which has led the opposition to question, is the BJP now planning a coup against Nitish Kumar if they win the elections in Bihar? What really is Nitish Kumar's future? One of the longest serving chief ministers in the country. That's our top political focus. First, take a look at this report.
मैं कह सकता हूं, इस बार बिहार में भी नीतीश बाबू के नेतृत्व में एनडीए जीत के अपने पुराने सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने वाला है.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi declares the NDA is fighting under the leadership of Nitish Kumar in Bihar as he kicked off the coalition's campaign on Friday. Amit Shah reiterated that line at another campaign rally.
हम ये चुनाव भी 20 साल के बाद भी नीतीश बाबू के नेतृत्व में लड़ रहे हैं. नीतीश बाबू के नेतृत्व में.
Nitish, who has been the chief minister for nearly 20 years, is once again the key to the power puzzle in Bihar. But this time, the opposition insists that it is different. The Mahagathbandhan's chief ministerial candidate Tejasvi Yadav points out that the BJP has been hesitant to name Nitish Kumar the chief ministerial candidate.
आखिर क्या कारण है कि इस बार आप नीतीश कुमार जी का मुख्यमंत्री के चेहरे का नाम का घोषणा क्यों नहीं कर रहे? नीतीश जी के खराब सेहत का वो चेहरे का इस्तेमाल करके 3-4 नेता जो भाजपा के लिए ही काम कर रहे हैं, जो जनता दल यूनाइटेड को खत्म करने में लगे हैं, अब चुनाव के बाद जनता दल यूनाइटेड को भी ये लोग खत्म कर देंगे, दल नहीं रहे.
What has added the buzz is Amit Shah's remark at a recent India Today event.
इतनी सारी पार्टियों का गठबंधन है. चुनाव के बाद जब बैठेंगे, सभी दल, विधायक दल के नेता बैठेंगे और अपना नेता तय कर लेंगे. अभी हम नीतीश कुमार जी के नेतृत्व में ही चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं और हमारे चुनाव का नेतृत्व नीतीश कुमार जी ही कर रहे हैं.
While the BJP has dominated the Hindi heartland for decades, it has been dependent on Nitish in Bihar. The party has never got a chief minister in the state despite being in power for nearly 2 decades. So will the BJP be tempted to change the script this time around? Bureau Report, India Today.